Yo, it's your girl Intra. And welcome back to me, welcome back to my channel. I'm back, I'm truly back, guys. This time I mean it. I know, this is so embarrassing. Like, honestly, this feels really embarrassing. I'm not really entirely sure what this video really is, but I kind of feel like I owe the people that have stuck around waiting for me to put something up on this channel, kind of feel like I owe you guys sort of like an explanation about, well, actually, firstly, I don't know, anything. This is going to be a bit of a sporadic video because I just feel like I want to share what I've been up to and kind of explain why I've kind of been a little bit absent on this channel, and kind of fill you guys in. I'm just grateful to the deranged people that have decided to stay subscribed to this channel even though I wasn't putting out any output. And I just wanted to make a video explaining a little bit about what I've been up to. What have I been doing in this 5-month, kind of longer, maybe like 1 year gap. It's been a year. That's crazy. It's been a year since I've made a tutorial. I think I should probably check. I'm not entirely sure. Either way, I believe it's been a year since I last made a tutorial, and I kind of want to explain why that is and my plans for the channel in the future, because I've got some really cool plans for this. My little caveat, my little region of the internet, I've got some plans for it and I want to share those with you guys. I guess I'll just start. So a bunch of you will know if you've paid any attention. I'm not expecting you to pay any attention, honestly. A bunch of you will know I'm in my final year of university. I do computer science, unfortunately, which takes up, I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. Nah, I will talk about it. I owe you guys university. It's hard, especially in your final year, which I'm in now. Doing my dissertation, which I'll probably make a video on because you guys might like it. But it's so much as to say I'm struggling. Like, I find it very difficult. Like, this course is extremely challenging and I have found it increasingly difficult over the past few years that I've been doing it. And progressively I've had less time for YouTube because obviously this is taking up a lot of my time. This lighting is just weird. I either look like really pale, like I haven't been outside in months. I wonder why that is. Yeah, I've tried to prioritize my degree, but I'm really like it's been kind of hard because all I want to do right now is be making videos, be making renders all day long and throw myself into this, but it kind of doesn't work that way. So that's the biggest reason why I've been away from this platform for a little bit of time. But also I've been doing a bunch of commissions because I need to support myself, support myself as an individual. What else have I been doing? You will have noticed my Patreon. I also took that down for the time being because I want to be fully committed to making content more on a regular basis before I have that up and running. So big thank you to all the patrons that supported the videos that I've made up until now, but for a little while we're gonna be a patron-less channel. Yeah, I just want to work on my practice before I'm involving a lot of people. I also wanted to take this moment to kind of shout out to all of the videos I started but never finished, and there were quite a few. There were maybe 5 tutorials that I started filming in this past year which I just haven't put out. There was one tutorial where I was filming it on a train and it was on my laptop, and my laptop just kind of passed out and died. There was another tutorial I was filming on a balcony and then a thunderstorm started. and then I tried to film it again on another balcony the day after, and then my microphone bugged out and there was no audio for the whole video. Then there was another tutorial that I was filming, and during the filming of this tutorial, our house got broken into because we were on holiday at the time. And if you don't believe me, I'm gonna put in little clips. Do you know what? I'm gonna make a little compilation of all the failed videos that I've attempted to put together over the past year, just in case you don't believe me. I really have tried. I've really tried, and it just didn't work out. It just didn't work out. We're back, and if you can't tell by my suntan, we are not in dingy England right now. We're bringing you some international tutorials. So I was gonna keep filming outside, but I hope I'm recording everything. You know, I'm just gonna take a leap of faith and hope that it's all working.
So the dogs arrived now, sir, so the dog's gonna go in now.
If you see something that doesn't look right,
Up the whole.
Yeah, because we didn't put the many screws, so they lifted.
Let's see.
Is that what? Is that what?
Ah, comodo.
we'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
That thunderstorm is not joking. Italy don't play games. We're going inside. It's literally gonna start hailing. It looks really scary. I'm kind of scared of thunderstorms, so we're gonna go inside.
It would be helpful if you don't mind, please, just to see if the house is still secure from the back end.
Absolutely, yeah, we will do while we're in there, absolutely.
Yeah, and also, I'm not sure if we shut the window in the.
Anyway, so where were we? Hope you enjoyed that. I hope you understand like how much goes into these videos. Like, I hope you understand how much goes into these videos. I made like a 40-minute video about NFTs and cryptocurrency and blockchain and how all of these things work and what my opinions are on these things. And the microphone cut out and didn't record any audio for the whole video. So please just understand the struggles of malfunctions of technology and how things are gonna go wrong more often than not. But on a real note, I have really also struggled with insecurity. I've been less inclined to post because of a phenomenon that I've created in my head, thinking that the more time that I don't post a tutorial, the greater or the more valuable the tutorial that I eventually post should be. And so the longer I leave it, the greater the expectation I'm building for myself. And at times I just feel like I'm not qualified enough to really have this platform to be teaching people. So there's a level of, insecurity in my own work, a level of imposter syndrome, which is natural for most people that do this sort of thing. I kind of want to just go back to how it was when I had like 5 subscribers and I didn't care who watched my videos. I had a degree of nonchalance with my creations. I had a degree of freedom that I kind of don't have anymore, and I want to go back to that feeling of just making something in an afternoon and putting it up on YouTube, and whoever enjoys it, and not really caring too much about how I'm going to be perceived on the internet, which is such a difficult kind of like new concept for me to navigate actually. So that's what I've been up to. Those are kind of like the emotional side to why I haven't posted a video, and also the practical side. Like, I've got other things that I've been busy with, but my uni degree is almost coming to an end, so expect a lot more frequent videos. And my plans for this channel, right, I want to go meta with this channel. I want to have tutorials regularly, but aside from that, I've got a cool video lined up. Hopefully I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna do it very, very soon. But I want this space to be a space of like intersection of different creative practices, and even just a space for me to kind of just talk about things that I really enjoy and like nerd out in a public forum, and let other people kind of contribute their own ideas. I feel like I'm in an interview. Like, why am I so out of breath? Steph, come back. I just want to make intro like a space of creative kind of mistakes where people can come and learn and make mistakes, and we're all kind of in this process together. This is gonna be like, you'll see what I mean over the next few months as I start posting kind of like a variety of videos on here, all with a common theme of technology or 3D modeling or something along those lines. But you'll see what I mean. Like, I've got a video that I'm so excited to post, honestly, so stay tuned. That's gonna come out very soon. As soon as I can figure out how to do it. It's gonna be kind of hard, but yeah, either way, I'm excited to announce, unless you've seen it already, that I put together all my strength and gathered all my strength to put together a really cool tutorial for you guys, which I have posted alongside this video because I thought, I haven't posted in a year, might as well post 2 videos in one. I just wanted to kind of like, yeah, give you a little bit of a backstory about what's been going on, and invite you to kind of like stick around and see what more 3D stuff we can learn. I have no idea how I accidentally created this random 3D cult over lockdown by accident, and I have this amazing resource, and I just want to take a moment to genuinely, I've never really do it enough, but I want to thank everybody that has something kind to say, because I'm making this up as I go along. But yeah, I don't want to gatekeep this fantastic software that I use every single day pretty much. So all I want to say basically is thanks, G. Like, thank you for sticking about and trusting that something good will come out of this channel soon, and I promise you, I sincerely promise that something will. So stay tuned, I guess. And if you want to see that tutorial, I'm gonna put that somewhere over there. I need to get back into my flow. I lost it a little bit, but yeah. Thank you for tuning in, guys, and I will see you very, very, very soon. Wonder what these songs are saying.